Copy and paste with polar coordinates dynamic mode set to 3 with absolute coordinates. When copying, if the dynamic mode is set to 3, AutoCAD will assume that it is the relative point that the point will be taken from. This is a chosen reference point or last point that you have entered. To override this, you will need to use the hashtag in front of the paste coordinates. In the example, the base point will be located at the bottom left of the object, which is positioned 15, 15, 0. The object will be offset diagonally at 35, 35, 0. In order to paste, a hashtag will be used in front of the coordinates in order to let AutoCAD know that the object will be offset at 35, 35, 0. As this is the polar coordinates, I will be offsetting this diagonally from the 0, 0, 0 absolute coordinates. And I will be using the hashtag in front of 49.497 with the less than symbol and 45 to give me 45 degrees. First, check the dynamic mode is set to 3 by typing DYNM. This will show the value it is set to. Change it to 3 if it is not set to 3. Select the object. Click C and O to bring up copy in the command line menu. Hit Enter. It will ask for a base point. Enter 15, 15, 0 and enter to set the base point. Now set the coordinates for paste. Select Shift and 3 together to select the hashtag. Type 49.497, then Shift, comma, to give the less than sign. Backspace 45 to give the degrees. Hit Enter. This will paste the box up to a point 35, 35, 0 from the 0, 0, 0 coordinates. Press Escape to exit the command and spacebar to repeat the command. Please like and subscribe if you find my videos helpful, and if you would like to support me, you can on Buy Me a Coffee, link in the description below. I appreciate your views and support. Thank you.